Hey there, it's Joe with TextGrab, and I wanted to show some examples of where TextGrab might be useful. So maybe you're watching a YouTube video and you are looking to see, you see some tables, you see some data in this video that you want to capture, and maybe you want to put it in your own spreadsheet. You can click on text grab. You can try a full screen grab if it's just text. Tables are a little bit more fancy. So you can see here, it kind of runs it all down into a column, which is kind of what maybe you would expect. It breaks all the new lines, but it does. You can see Excel does recognize those numbers as numbers. But what you really want to do is capture that as a table. So you start another full screen grab. I just used Windows Shift F, which is the default shortcut when you have it running in the background. I'm going to place a grab frame around this table here. And when I drop that in, it identifies all the numbers pretty well. And I can either scroll my wheel on here, but what I really want to do is pause this. So that kind of freezes, that takes a screenshot of this now, and I can take that wherever I want to take it. And I can scroll here, zoom in a little bit, turn on the table identification here, and now I can click grab, and I go over and I paste. And you can see here, it captured all of the cells in the table as they are shown in that video. And again, this is just a YouTube video. So it's kind of cool what you can do. But I'll be honest, sometimes it doesn't get stuff. Sometimes it doesn't capture the text correctly. So you can click this little pencil button if you want to go in there and edit some of these numbers. And you can hold the Alt key and it will hide the overlay. So you can see actually what was underneath. You can kind of double check 81, 5, you know, kind of go through there and are we getting the numbers correct? You know, $T, $B, $B. Yeah, so these 8s are actually B's. Right now you can't actually correct the fact that this is a merged cell. So this is a vertical merge, you can't correct that, but it's easy enough to do in Excel. So then after you made whatever corrections you want to do, you can just click grab again and hypothetically paste it in, and all your corrections are fixed in there. So this is just kind of a example of how I use text grab and how it's really useful, full screen grab, as well as using stuff like the grab frame and the table identification. So let's say you wanted to grab this title here, and this is a video.
Trade-offs at a global.
So, you know, Windows Shift F, and you can make a little square, then go back to your table here, Control V, and there you go, logistics costs per GDP, whatever this video is about. So yeah, there's an example. Let me know if this was helpful and if there's some other stuff you want to see.